Hey everybody, it's Julie Hoffman, the Street Smart Diva, real estate investment coach, and this is the last of my 5-part written testimonial from my amazing coaching client in Ottawa. And this is the last thing that she had to say. Julie modeled persistence, flexibility, and directness as keys to success in closing a great deal in a very fast market. And I tell you what, that's key. You got to be persistent. You got to push through sometimes. And I know it was helpful for my coaching client for me to be there to just be able to say, okay, this is still a good deal. Let's keep moving forward. There was the odd snag that happened at the end of closing, which can often happen. You know, at one point, the lender who was on the West Coast wasn't communicating properly with the lawyers on basically the East Coast. They were opening at different times and closing at different times. And it was we had like a 3-hour window every day to get this deal done in a pretty short amount of time. And again, in an insanely fast market. So the appraiser was like running in and out, and the hot property inspectors, and coordinating all of the timing of, again, everybody, the lender, the lawyers, the this, the that, the mortgage broker. Me and Carol trying to get together outside of her work hours and my work hours. And it was very exciting. It was very fast paced. I'm so glad that I got to be there for her, because this property is life changing for her, and it's also life changing for her family, because she's essentially selling the house to her daughter. She's helping her daughter get into the real estate investment market. She's not taking a lot of risk because she's only having to put 5% down. And it is just a terrific win-win for everybody involved and all around. And I'm just so proud of Carol. And I really hope that if this video speaks to you, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. Go to streetsmartdiva.com/book. And yeah, we'll have a talk. We'll see if we have a fit. If we have a fit, great. If we don't, it's totally okay. Either way, I'm glad you're here. I hope you got something out of this video. Thanks a lot for being here, and we'll see you next time.